Pokany Workshops is Georgian-based company, reunion of several workshops, producing jewelry, fine arts and accessories. These are the views of Cloisonne Enamel Workshop. The first things masters do in enameling process is making cloisons, usually with gold. Cloison making starts with melting gold and shaping a little stick, which is stretched and reeled as a string. The string is baked and after that flattened, stretched more, and when the desired shape is taken, cut into little pieces. Final thickness of a cloison is 0.07 millimeters. After that, cloisons are shaped with the aid of a sketch and placed on a plate of silver or other metal, which is covered with lucid enamel. The plate is baked, and when it's ready, the master puts liquid enamel in the shapes. After another baking, this detail of a hand mirror is cleaned and then attached to another part of an item. Mirror is constructed from several silver pieces. Church workshop Pokany is the oldest part of a company. Church-related pieces are usually made with pure gold and regarding canonical order. The most common technique for making icons is still Cloisonne enamel. For some really big icons with several images, each detail is made on behalf of others and then set up in one composition. This chalice is made of 8 kg gold, using technique called filigree. It has several Cloisonne enamel icons. Many pieces made in Pokany today are in Georgia's Cathedral Church Sameba and in other churches and monasteries around the world. Designers are the people who carry out the idea of a piece, draw the sketch, and supervise the process of creating. Firstly, the item. Ring, for example, is shaped in wax. wax ring is used to make a gips molding. Silver or another metal is melted and shaped in this molding. After baking and cooling them, the shapes are cleaned from the gips and polished to be shiny. When the shape is done, it's time for the revetment. The designer makes cloisons, shapes them and puts enamel. Pieces often unite several types of revetments. The most common grouping is cloison enamel with precious stones. This cross is designed in 3D Studio and then built using high-tech machines. The only handwork is used to put enamel and precious stones in it. Our 3D Studio is equipped with state-of-art technologies. This device can scan the item and make a three-dimensional image of it. After that, the Roland engraving router can shape what is portrayed on the image. Designers in the studio also make up some new designs of jewelry in 3D programs. This machine, the Perfectory Standard Zoom from InvisionTech, can build a three-dimensional prototype of a jewel or some other piece in a very short time. This is the 5-axis CNC device, which can shape items of bigger size. Another exclusive direction of Pokany's mosaics workshop. Ornaments and shapes are put up with special glass called smalt. As for micromosaics, several pieces of smalt are melted first and then stretched to take a desired width. Normally 1 to 2 millimeters. When ready, the stick is cut into very little pieces. Miniature small pieces are placed on a silver or golden jewelry frame, fixated there with the aid of a special glue, resembling the ornaments and shapes that is given in sketch. Micromosaics technique is also used to make religious items. Ceramics workshop is also very exceptional. Already finished biscuits of vessels and other porcelain stuff are decorated in Pokany, using all Georgian ornaments, extraordinary design, or cuts from paintings. After decorating, items are glazed, then baked, and they're finally usable, ready to take for sale. What we give, what we share is not just jewelry, it is called fine arts. There are about 80 to 100 people working for Pokany workshops, and they're not just goldsmiths or designers, they're masters and they're artists. They make exceptionally beautiful pieces. More or less, we already share our work to the Georgia. Now we would like the world to see how artistic and gracious a jewel can be.